Hey guys, this is Brian Wilson and welcome back to Gamers Precise. So today we're going to talk about how to use your phone as a webcam. I will show you everything you need to do. But before everything we do this, roll the intro. First thing you need to do is open your Play Store, search IVCam webcam, install. After installing this application, open, give them permission, all they need, and then switch to PC client. After switching to PC, open your browser, search IVCam PC client, then go to this website e2esoft.com. Then little bit down, you can see the download Windows client software, download for Windows. Okay, then open it, run. You will see run as administration. Ask for you to permissions and all that stuff. English. It's up to you. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can do this. Press hit next, install. I already have one, that's why it's uninstalling old version. After installing, just open the IVCam automatic. So your phone will automatically connect with this application. All you gotta do is just open this application in your phone and just wait for 1 second, I guess. Connect those both devices with the same Wi-Fi or LAN and Wi-Fi, and then it will automatically connect. After installing this app, just open it. You will see like this. Let me just switch it and चालते है तुझा. Okay, as you can see here, like, let me turn on my lights. You can see this, every single thing. All you gotta do in your OBS studio, let me show you. You can close this window if you are going to use this in Zoom or OBS studio. It's super easy. Let me show you. Close this window. After opening OBS studio, all you gotta do is press plus sign, video capture device, add source. You will see bricks, or you will see IVCam here. I changed my name, so that's why it's showing bricks 12. Then all you gotta do is just add source. If you don't want this watermark, you can pay for full version, or otherwise you can do here is just hold alt and drag this down, and you can see it's gone, and this webcam look pretty decent, right? You can also adjust this as like this, and you can just small, like, it's looking pretty decent, as you can see here. That's all you gotta do. That's all you can use. I use my DSLR, but you can use, if you don't have any DSLR or webcam, you can use this. You can see my DSLR over there. It's right there, and I use DSLR for streaming, but you can use mobile cam as well because it looks pretty decent and it's good actually. I use this for months and I know that. That's why I'm showing you this trick, and it's super easy. If you want to buy a full version, you will get a 1080p resolution, or 4K you can buy for it. I mean, it's also, guys, if you guys don't want any trouble with this application, like, they just give you the free trial. So all you gotta do is after every single time when you use this app, just clear the data in your phone. You can use this again and again, otherwise you will get bad quality, like very bad quality. So all you gotta do is just clear app data every single time when you use. That's all.